for organizing the befitting state funeral within 48 hours. In this period of national mourning, I once again extend my heartfelt condolences to Aisha Buhari, our children, the entire Buhari family, the government and people of Katsina State, and all who knew and loved him. Our gratitude will remain with President Buhari's family members, who provided him with the comfort and strength to serve our nation in the various capacities throughout his over 50 years of public service. We honor his service, reflect on his legacy, and pray for the peaceful repose of his soul. May Gazukia, the people's general, the former president, your duty is done. May Almighty Allah forgive his shortcomings and grant him Al-Jannah Firdaus. May his life continue to inspire generations of Nigerians to serve with courage, conviction, and selflessness. President Buhari, thank you. Nigeria will remember you. Thank you very much.